Saan nga ba talaga naganap ang unang Catholic Mass in the Philippines? Alam niyo ba na matagal lang pinagtatalunan ang dalawang lugar kung saan daw ito nagmula? Is this from Butuan, from Mindanao, or from Limasawa in Southern Leyte? At ito ay matatawag nating historical controversy. Si Ferdinand Magellan and his tripulante kasama ang mga lokal na leader ng Leyte ay dumalo sa gaganaping mass at ang mass na ito ay ang kauna-unahang naitalang Kristiyanong seremonya sa bansa. And then, after the events ay nagtayo sila ng krus sa tuktok ng burol as a sign of the beginning of the Christians in the Philippines. However, bago pa ito ay nangyari muna ang expedition ni Magellan sa natuklasin ang kanilang ruta patungong Spice Island. Quick facts muna tayo. The first Catholic Mass in the Philippines was on March 31, 1521 Easter Sunday. And then, ito ay naganap sa Limasawa na pinangunahan ni Pedro de Valderrama. So yes guys, ang katotohanan ay sa Limasawa talaga ang sagot. Ang mga evidence na ito ay ang historical evidence ni Antonio Pigafetta and the logbook ni Francisco Albo. So although may pinaniniwalaan na sa Butuan ito, ay sa Limasawa talaga because of the primary source nito dahil ito ay officially na-recognize ng National Historical Commission of the Philippines.
Good day everyone! Today we'll talk about the two main stories about where the first Catholic Mass in the Philippines was held during Magellan's expedition in 1521. First is the Limasawa narrative. This is what most historians and the Philippine government believe. The Mass was celebrated on March 31, 1521 in Limasawa. It based on the eyewitness notes of Antonio Pigafetta, Magellan's chronicler, who called the place Mazawa, now thought to be Limasawa. The second story is the Butuan narrative, which says the Mass was held in Butuan. This comes from older local beliefs and a different way of interpreting where Mazawa was. However, it uses less reliable sources and has incorrect longitude calculations. To sum it up, most historians agree that the first Catholic Mass in the Philippines took place in Limasawa.
Now, let's proceed to the evidence of each claim. The first Catholic Mass in the Philippines on March 31, 1521 is officially recognized by the National Historical Commission of the Philippines to have occurred on Limasawa Island, Southern Leyte, based on eyewitness account from Magellan voyage, notably by Antonio Pigafetta. Supporters of the Butuan claim argue that Mazawa refers to Masao, Butuan City, citing local traditions, old maps, and a 19th century monument. First, eyewitness accounts. Antonio Pigafetta and Francisco Albo documented arriving at an island called Mazawa. Sina Pigafetta at Francisco Albo mismo ang nagsulat na nakarating sila sa island na tinawag na Mazawa, kaya direct evidence ito. Next, yung geographical data. Navigation logs points to a small island south of Leyte, matching Limasawa. Based sa direction at location ng paglalakbay, tumutugma ito sa Limasawa dahil isa itong small island, south of Leyte. Next, yung description of the island. Pigafetta described it as having no large river. Sinabi ni Pigafetta na walang large rivers, which match Limasawa pero hindi ito tugma sa Butuan na may malalaking ilog. And lastly, official recognition. The NHCP and Philippine Congress affirms that the Mass took place on Limasawa. Kinumpirma ng NHCP at Philippine Congress na sa Limasawa talaga naganap ang first Mass.
Ebidensya na sumusuporta sa Butuan.
The 19th century monument, may monument na itinayo noong 1872 sa Magallanes, Butuan na nagmamarka sa First Mass. Pinapakita na matagal na itong paniniwala ng mga locals. Colonial documents. May mga sulat ng mga Jesuit noong 17th century tulad ni Father Francisco Colin na nagsasabing sa Butuan naganap ang First Mass, Guinness de Mafra account. Ayon sa testimony niya, ang Mazwa ay malapit sa Butuan. Archaeological findings. May claims na ang Masaw sa Butuan ang tunay na site at baka na-confuse lang sa Limasawa. Key differences in evidence Limasawa. Supported ng primary sources, eyewitness logs in Pigafetta and Albo, plus modern analysis sa Butuan, supported ng secondary sources, local tradition at 19th century monument.
So there are two main claims about where the mass took place, which is the Limasawa and Island, Butuan. So the Limasawa claim is supported by primary sources, particularly the eyewitness accounts of Pigafetta and Francisco Albo. So their descriptions of the island called Masawa, including its location and the absence of large rivers, match the geography of Limasawa. So because of this strong historical and geographical evidence, the National Historical Commission of the Philippines officially recognizes Limasawa as the site of the First Mass. So yun nga, dahil sa strong evidence neto in which nagkakaroon siya ng tugma sa geography ng Limasawa, kinikilala siya ng National Historical Commission of the Philippines bilang ang lugar kung saan nga naganap ang First Mass. So on the other hand, the Butuan claim, which is based mainly on later historical writings, local traditions, a monument built in 1872, and interpretations of other accounts such as the Guinness de Mafra. However, these are considered less reliable because they were written long after the event. So yun nga, siguro, hindi na siya masyado na-consider as a reliable source for where the First Mass took place, no? Dahil ito daw ay isinulat or was written long after the event. So this argues that Butuan was an important pre-colonial trading center, making it a possible stop for the expedition. However, historians note that geographic descriptions in early sources do not clearly match Butuan's river system. So, yun nga, yung argument na iyon ay nag-cause para mag-stop ang expedition. Pero sabi ng mga historians na yung mga unang paglalarawan daw sa geography ay hindi nagmamatch sa system ng large river sa Butuan.
The historical consensus regarding the first Catholic Mass in the Philippines centers on Limasawa Island, where the rite was performed on March 31, 1521, officiated by Father Pedro de Valderrama during Ferdinand Magellan's expedition. The event was meticulously documented by primary witnesses like Antonio Pigafetta and Francisco Albo. Their detailed logs regarding the island's geography, specifically its coordinates and the log of a major river, provided the evidentiary foundation for modern historians to confirm Limasawa as the true site of this landmark event. While a competing claim for Butuan persisted for centuries due to the tradition and later interpretation, rigorous geographical analysis and primary source verification eventually shifted the official stance. The National Historical Commission of the Philippines formally recognized Limasawa after determining the physical descriptions in the Spanish logs did not align with the topography of Butuan. This transition from oral tradition to evidence-based history highlights the importance of using first-hand accounts to settle long-standing national debates. The First Mass served as a symbolic birth of Christianity in the Philippines, a cornerstone of the nation's cultural and religious identity. The planting of the cross following the service signaled the beginning of a spiritual transformation that would eventually spread across the archipelago. Today, this event remains more than just a date on a calendar. It is a foundation of the tradition and values that continue to shape Filipino society 5 centuries later.